Hey, dude, I'm doing a rebuild on this Briggs and Stratton carb. I put a new needle and seat in this carb because the old needle and seat had some ethanol contamination, which caused it to swell up. Kind of got a little destroyed pulling it out, but um, basically it's sort of mushroomed out. And at the very top, you can kind of see that it's not straight up and down. That'll be the new one, nice straight up and down. So what I want to do is this goes in right here with the groove side. There's a groove on the bottom. That groove side's going to go down in this way. So I applied a little oil to it. Going to put it so the basically what you're going to see is the flat side. Flat side is up. I have a 11/64 drill bit. I'm going to keep it in this orientation because I don't want it to flip. So I'm just going to push this down until it sets in there. Not quite seeing that exactly, but it's in there in the right orientation. And the thing that I wanted to show here is you got your float. Float and needle. I'm going to put this in onto the car body. Good chance I'll get a better view of it. So what I wanted to show was that when this needle and seat is in here, you see this float is almost flat. When you pull one of these off and the seat is actually swollen, you'll kind of see this float sitting like this because that seat is swollen up in there. So right away, once you pull a float off, if you hold it this way or pull the bowl off, if it's sitting like that, you know you need to replace the seat. Now, the part number here, the Briggs part, 398-188 is the float kit, needle and seat. You can't really buy just a seat, at least not from Briggs, based on what I found. So the rest of this just goes back together, gasket, the bowl, all that stuff. So that just shows you, you know, the effects of some ethanol, what can happen in a carb. You know, this carb wasn't in bad shape, but, you know, I cleaned this out. It's the ultrasonic cleaner. You can see did a nice job on these brass parts. So really that's the only pretty much replaceable part other than this gasket here. And as long as you don't have corrosion or anything in this carb, it should run fine. This is in real nice condition. This carb actually ran, just doing it as, you know, just to be thorough on this, and noticed that that seat was bad, so I changed it out. So, all right, thanks. Remember.